Please go back. Sir, please. Okay, now we just started the game, so the game just started. There's more to come in this game. Oh, great! Ooh-ha, ooh-ha. Ooh-ha is not this team, right? Okay. Are we seeing 9 flags here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, can I request everyone else to go behind? Can I request everyone else to go behind, please? Sir, can I request everyone else to go behind?
Sheet. Nam sheet elli sir. Nam sheet elli. Yaar naam kodnilla.
Okay, can I request everyone else to go behind?
More to right. Sir.
Excuse me.
We need more to
It's all right. No props. No props. It's no problem. Can we all request you to go behind, please?
Behind.
Please go behind. Okay. What is activity without a competition, right? I mean, we need to have competition. We all say what cannot be. So we all need a measurement. Okay, so what we are doing is, we had flags, we created fabulous creativity. I can see some of the best flags being created here. You know, okay. So what happens is, now we have to have a small evaluation. The measurement should be done here. It is, flag is measured on three qualities. The creativity, so how creative, the originality, how original this is, and more importantly, is it relevant? Is it relevant to the program? Okay, relevant to what we are talking about. Some of you have had the flag too high that I don't know if the judge can see. Hold on. So therefore, I don't know if your flag is very good, it has one color, whatever height you take, you can shift it. But it has a complex design. So please nothing on this sir. So let's, okay, now may I please request Devi to come and evaluate them. Oh, you are part. So we have the gentleman from the hotel over here. Where is the gentleman from the hotel? Who? Sir, can you please you? Please evaluate the originality, creativity, and relevance.
Visibility.
Relevance, unless it is visible, you will not know whether it's relevant or not.
Team name. Geo Tigers.
Can I please request everyone else to go back, please? Please go back. Please go back.
RT21.
Kumar. So please help them to go back. Please. So please maintain distance.
5 seconds over. What's the team name? Sir, your team name?
Kumar, please maintain that distance which is there. I don't know. I'm not the judge.
And violence in flag.
Violence in flag. Violence in flag.
Flag in fast. Geo Brahma.
Okay, let's see how the competition of the first program goes on. We have many more to come. Sir, what is it? Sir, can I please request you to that side, please? There is no relevance of the design to the organization.
What is 1 to 10? How do you go? 10 is the right. 10 is the right.
Okay, so as the evaluation is going on, let's reflect on what happened, right? For a minute, people started asking, where is sketch pen? Where is, instead of me telling that paints are gone, people were asking for paints. There was a little bit of confusion in between. But then, the creativity took over. Most of the time, this is happening. I have a personal experience with this organization, in the sense we've been working together for the last 3 years. And I've come across a lot of times. In fact, we did a program for your managers, some of them are from the network team, where we face the same problem. People complain about resources, not having enough resources not adequate, and resources that's not being given in time. Remember something, remember the flag, remember the Naam Nishan Nara. With creativity, anything can be done. Remember, this is an organization which from nothing became the world's second most biggest organization in market cap. Anything can happen purely with creativity. Okay, so with Naam Nishan Nara, we'll see the marks. There's a lot of... But very, very highly creative team. I only hope this creativity lasts for the post-lunch session, because post-lunch session is going to be a little interesting and a lot of fun. So it's done. Okay, we are coming to the end of the program, the pre-lunch session. Couple of learnings I want to... Yes, sir. Okay, couple of sessions that I want to emphasize during the pre-lunch session is this. A, about how during a team formation, acceptability is something which has to come from you. You take the first step, the team the rest of the step. A very good example is Team 21. There was an initial problem, but that person took the first step and stung by the team, and the team embraced him. And finally, they changed the name. They gave a name which is because of this particular person, Team 21. Yes. Okay, great. Well, sir, congrats on this, but then there are many more to come. Secondly, we also saw during team formation how people tend to gravitate towards people whom they know.
It's over.
Okay.